Hello, here's my submission for Project 2, a design of an e-commerce site for trading auctions. First of all, I'll go to the admin section to show the current models. I have bids, comments, listings, users, and watch lists. Under any of these, the admin can edit the entries, could change the name of the category, the starting bid, update the file image, and then save or delete where necessary. So back to the main site, a signed in user like Gary can create a new listing. So I say something like, say Hilux. I put in a starting bid of 70. Then I go for Toyota category and then enter a description. Optionally, I can leave the URL blank and submit that. So it creates the listings and adds it to this list here. No image has been provided. So it shows the starting bid, which is also the current price. For a signed-in user like Gabby, he can choose an item to add to his watch list. So I go for vintage Benz. Here I can add to my watch list. And once I add to the watch list, I can find it in here in my watch list. I will also remove an item from my watch list. And then you see it's also gone from the watch list. Now for an item I want to bid on, a signed in user can place a bid. Say I go for a bid as low as 140. I get a message saying I need to enter a value higher than the current price of 145. So I go for say 150 and then I bid on this item. Now when I bid, I get the current price goes up to $150 and then mine is the current bid. Number of bids so far is 2. Now, for this listing has been created by Melky. So if I go and sign in as Melky, I can decide to go to this listing and then close this auction. Now, when I close this auction, it tells me this auction listing has been won by the highest bidder, Gabby. And if Gabby is signed in on this page, let's go for Gabby. Let's see. Gabby is signed in on this page. Gabby gets this message: you have won this auction. Now, for an auction that has been won, the auction becomes closed. And so if you go to the active listings page, you no longer find that option. Also, a signed in user like Gabby is signed in on all this can make a comment saying who wants this car, and he can post that, and then it goes updates in the comment section. If say Melky goes to that same post, he sees Gabby's comments and he says, I want this, and then you post, and then you see his comments are also updated. Likewise, the categories here can browse by categories where you see the listings of all the different categories. You could go for Toyota to see all the listed Toyotas, or maybe for Benz. Now there's none because the Benz listing has been closed. Also, for the admin section, so let's go back to the admin. For the admin, we can decide to go to a particular listing, and I would say for this Corolla I want to delete it, and then I can say yeah, delete that. If I go back to the site, the Corolla is gone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.